In this video, we're going to talk about health and daily habits. Do you often go to the doctor?
No, I try to only go to the doctors if I have an illness or a problem, and in the recent year I've been fine.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I try to eat healthily. I eat a lot of vegetables. I go for a walk for about 30 minutes or more every day. I think it's important to get regular exercise, not too much like running or anything like that, but I've heard that walking every day for more than 10 minutes a day is very good for your whole body and for your mental health. I drink a lot of water, and I limit tea or coffee drinks to 5 per day.
Do you smoke?
No, I've never smoked.
Do you like sports?
No, I've never been keen on sports. And I've never been good at sports, even as a child. So I used to enjoy swimming when I was younger, but only for pleasure, not competitive or anything like that. And now I enjoy walking, but not too far.
Do you eat a lot of healthy food, or do you eat snacks as well?
I try to eat healthily every day with my main meals. I've changed from eating breakfast cereal that has a lot of sugar, and now I have toast in the morning, sometime with an egg. And I feel that that keeps me full for longer, and so I don't have mid-morning snacks. I sometimes have 2 or 3 biscuits in the afternoon. But other than that, I try to stick to 3 main meals of breakfast, lunch and dinner, and to have as many fruit and vegetables as I can.
And lastly, what time do you usually go to bed?
I normally go to bed between 10:30 and 11 p.m. And in the mornings, I normally wake up between 7:30 and 8 a.m.
If you have enjoyed this video, please follow us for more videos like this. Thank you.